What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Built by Ray, man. We back with another video. Today we're gonna be jumping into this hot shot category, man. I've been having a trailer for a while now. My buddy just let me use his truck. I'm actually letting them borrow the trailer for the weekend, man. They gonna be hauling up to AZ with some bikes and stuff. So this is my first time actually loading something on top of here and actually hitting the road with it. I'm going to drop it off so they could get loaded up what they're going to be taking for the weekend. But, man, this thing is definitely amazing, man. Kind of was nervous at the beginning, but it came natural. You know, I've been hauling stuff and running with a car trailer for a while. But we got a lot of content to come and bring to the channel, and we're going to definitely grow it. Got more projects coming up and all that. So please stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't want to bore y'all out or nothing like that, but man, things kind of got crazy towards the end, and you will definitely see some of it in this video. So please watch to the end, man. Stay tuned, and we definitely got some heat coming to the channel, man. So we about to go ahead and jump into it. Please follow up after this video because we got another part that's contained into this weekend, man. All right, guys, so we have here this Dodge Ram 3500 mega cab long bed with the dually wheels sitting on them 4Giatos, and we had this big Tex 25GN, man. We had to go to Home Depot and grab up some straps so we could be tying down what we're loading up on here today. All right, man, first time loading up the big trailer. Got one Road King on there. About to load up this Road Glide. Get this thing strapped down. We're gonna put a car on there as well. We're loading this thing up right now. Just go up regular. Ali, just go the regular way. Just go the regular way. It's good. Just go the regular way, bro. I seen it. Hey, I already seen it. It's good. Just go regular way. That motherfucker. Like this when you get up there. Good. Nah, just go regular. You good, bro. Oh. The only way you go back down and we move the trailer over. First load with this Big Daddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so we got this thing all locked down. Check the straps, man, and we about to hit the road. Actual haul with this 40-foot gooseneck. I ain't gonna lie, man, kind of a little bit nervous, but got everything locked down, man. Rolling. Got those two Harleys on there in that truck strapped down. It's kind of crazy, a different feeling to what I'm really used to, but you know, it's a big responsibility. But man, been doing this for a long time, you know, just a little bit larger scale, but I'll get it done. All right, so this is our first time exiting the freeway. Drop the windows down so I can see. Tint is not good for towing, that's for sure. To make this right turn. I'm gonna just pull over and check the straps and everything, make sure everything is good. Jump right back on. All right, man, so we about to check all this out. See, Road King is still good. It's locked on there good, man. All our straps is locked on good and tight. All our tires, everything. Straps still on there. Ramp is in there. Checking out the curb side now. Strap, everything is still locked in place pretty good. The car is strapped down on there pretty good. We all good. This road glide still locked down. Every angle is still pulling tight. Definitely locked down on there, man. And gonna jump back on this road, man. We out of here. Pulling up in there. Definitely motivation, man. Can't wait to get my truck. All right, so we're about to make this turn onto the highway. This thing. Not that bad. The left turns is not as bad as making the right turn. Definitely cool. Got about another 20-something miles to go, man. Then we'll be to our destination, but stay tuned. All right, so we're off the freeway, almost to our destination. It's just started to rain. A little bit of sprinkles on the windshield, as you guys can see. This is definitely unexpected. Low back there, still looking good. Everything locked down and secure. Almost there. So we just got to our destination. Got this thing parked, had to parallel park it. This was the neighbor's car. It was kind of close. This is some footage the guy sent me when they was in AZ getting all loaded up to head back after the weekend was over, man. They got 6 bikes loaded up on there with the CLS AMG. And they got everything strapped down. Was tying down the driver's side, and this is what happened. Unfortunately, they did not make it back. They got stuck in Indio, California. We don't know what happened. The truck shut down. The person told me that was driving. So we found a tow company. They got us off the freeway, and this is the truck going on the flatbed. This is definitely the go setup that I'm going for. Big boy. 6500. All right, so they got us all towed off the freeway and got us back to where we was going. They jackknifed this into that same spot that I parallel parked into, and we got the thing back safe. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next video.